Hi, I'm Ade from Agents of Field. Well, for many gardeners, May has been a total washout. Right here in Suffolk, we've had constant rain, hailstorms, and of course, colder temperatures, which has probably set the growing back about 3, maybe 4 weeks. But this is a new month, and with it comes warmer temperatures and sunny days. So, if you've got a few minutes, let me show you what we've been up to. Pottering around the garden this morning, I noticed that our garlic is finally developing their scapes. Now, for those who don't know, a garlic scape is basically the flower bud of hard-neck garlic. And when they appear, you know that your garlic bulb is into the final stages of its growth. But what many people didn't know is if you pick it, you can use it in cooking. So you can enjoy garlic before you even enjoy the garlic bulb. I've never grown these before, and they are sweet potatoes. Now, I've managed to grow on a dozen plants, and in the next day or two I'll plant them out into the kitchen garden. But what do you do with them? I mean, if you've got any tips or suggestions on how to get the best from these plants, let me know, because I want sweet potatoes. A few days ago I planted out all my squash, all my pumpkins, and I've got big, small, I don't know if you can see, trailing, and I watered them last night, and today it's midday and it's warm, it's sunny, and this plant looks quite, would you say, dry, withered? That is perfectly normal, because what the plant is actually doing, because these leaves are so big, is taking the moisture out of the leaf and bringing it down into the plant, into the root system, and storing that water, and that will keep the plant going, it will keep it fed, it'll keep it watered, and then when the temperature is lower and the sun goes in, the water will come back up into the foliage, fill out the plant, and these leaves will look nice and plump again. But what you're seeing is something that is perfectly normal. That is a healthy plant. Right here at the back of the kitchen garden, I've got gooseberries, and I've got 3 growing. 2 of them are on grafted stems, and 1 down here is a bush variety. And these, well, as you can see, they're full of swelling gooseberries, and I love gooseberries. However, for my bush variety, he has very little fruit. In fact, all he has, I don't know if you can see, is aphids. So I don't know whether I've planted him too close to the other growing crops, or whether I have to just see it through and hope he comes through it. But right now, I've got a gooseberry bush full of aphids. Well, at least someone's getting a free meal. Well, that's about it from me. Of course, if you want to know more about Agents of Field, then check out our blog or go to Twitter and Instagram and you'll find us there. But for now, thanks for watching and enjoy June!